Hi there guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes, we're back.
Been a very long time guys, as you can see, nothing on the table.
Yeah.
The reason we were gone, we sold all our coins.
Joking. No,
Yeah, we're just joking guys. We didn't sell, not even one.
Hey.
We still have all of our coins.
Yes.
We didn't sell not even one.
Yeah.
The reason we are here, we received some letters. Almost show the address. Hey.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the letter that we received. Apology guys for being away for such a long time.
Yeah.
Things are hectic these days.
They are
very, very hectic. So we haven't been going to the mail. The time we went, we found these ones here. There were 2 mails. Okay, I think by that, I'm sure now you can tell who is it from. I dropped something. Okay.
Yeah.
It was saying happy, joy, guys. Just imagine.
We're only getting it now.
Hey. This is embarrassing.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's a thought that counts.
That's true.
Silver golfer. Hey guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Happy. Thank you, Silver Golfer. We really do appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
The thought just that it didn't arrive in time, but we really appreciate.
Sorry to open it now.
Yeah, we are very sorry to open it now, but we're very thankful. We really do appreciate. And he gave us 2 of his stickers.
The beautiful ones.
The beautiful stickers, guys. We're using a new camera, guys.
Let us know how it.
Let us know how it looks. It's a new camera. It was very pricey, but we said let's go for it and invest on it. Okay. All right. And there was another one that we sent to Wild West,
and then
to Wild West. So
it's returned.
Yeah. So it returned to our address.
I think maybe we made the wrong email, wrong address. We put the wrong address.
I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So it came back. This is the letter, guys. So they said I won't show because it's gonna show his address. It said return to sender, insufficient address. Unable to forward.
Or you can put the finger or your hand and then show the error here.
Okay. Yeah. This is what it came back with. There. Hey, focus on the camera. I don't know whether we're gonna be having a battle trying to focus, but I doubt. That's what it came back with, guys. Okay. So the reason, guys, for us sending and also receiving such letters, guys, as for us, for the community, guys, to grow, to know each other, to grow as a family. So we had stickers and the letter in it, but we'll try and send again to Wild West.
And there's still more that you need to send.
There is still more. And please guys, if you don't know Silver Golfer,
go subscribe.
Please go subscribe, because the purpose of these letters and all this is just for us to know each other. We know each other as stickers, as a community. So if you don't know Silver Golfer, I'll leave on the description below a link to his channel. Please go subscribe.
Go check it out.
Go check it out.
Cool
Awesome guy. He is a really awesome guy. We love his channel. So yeah, okay, that's the reason, guys. We opened these letters. The reason we love these letters, it's for us to know one another, and for us to all grow together, guys. So that's the reason. So please go subscribe to Silver Golfer if you don't know him. Okay. So I think today is
welcoming,
and warming up. We're a bit rusty. We've been away for quite some time. So just
but there's a lot happening.
Warming up, greasing those rusty areas.
There's a lot happening.
There is a lot happening, guys. There is.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. If you know you know,
Yes.
and you'll understand that hey, things are hectic. Okay, so please subscribe to Silver Golfer.
Yes.
Okay,
Also
and
subscribe.
please send us more letters, guys. We love to know each and every one in the community, guys.
Drop us an
As
email.
you can see there at the back, those are the people that we have the stickers here. So we really do appreciate that.
That's true.
Okay, we'll leave a link to Silver Golfer channel on the description below.
Yes. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.